Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video we are going to be learn how you can fix Facebook notifications if they are not working. So first of all, make sure to watch the video till the end in order to get it perfectly. So head to your settings right here, and now what you're gonna do, so you find applications management. In application management, what you're gonna do, you have to find Facebook. After that, go to manage notifications right here. Make sure that these notifications must be toggled on. So if you on this notification, you will get all the notifications from Facebook. So this is the first thing you're gonna do. If you don't allow these notifications, you won't get the notification from Facebook. Secondly, click on the three lines in the upper right corner right there, and now click on settings. So here in settings, search for notifications. As you can see, click on the notification settings right here. So after that, scroll down and you will find push. So just go to that push and make sure that mute push notifications must be turned off. So if you toggle this off, you will get all the notifications from Facebook. And after that, make sure that your comments, tags, reminders, and all the notifications must be turned on in order to get all the notifications from Facebook. So these are the two ways in which you can fix your problem. That's the end for today's video. I will meet you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.